Las Vegas has no shortage of bars. But the best ones? They don't shout. They whisper. They hide. Tucked behind bookshelves, inside laundromats, and beneath the strip itself, these hidden bars are where the real magic happens. So grab a drink, if you can find the door. These are the top 5 hidden bars in Las Vegas you'll wish you knew sooner. Let's go. From the outside, it's just a mysterious pink door next to a taco counter. But push through, and suddenly you're in a psychedelic speakeasy bathed in string lights and surreal art. Ghost Donkey is a tequila and mezcal lover's paradise, offering rare spirits, truffle nachos, and cocktails that taste like desert sunsets. It's small, loud, weird, and unforgettable. Find it inside the Cosmopolitan's Block 16 Urban Food Hall. Locate the laundry room inside Commonwealth, Fremont East. To get in, you have to text a secret number. If you're lucky, they'll respond. And once inside, through an unmarked wooden door behind a vintage washer, you're transported to a candlelit room with just 22 seats. Bartenders in suspenders craft custom cocktails based on your mood. No standing, no shouting, and absolutely no vodka sodas. This is cocktail church for those who know. Behind an innocuous bookshelf lies a Gatsby-worthy speakeasy dripping in jazz-age opulence. Think leather couches, velvet curtains, and live burlesque shows on weekends. 1923 oozes that smoky, underground glamour, minus the actual smoke. It's a bar that feels like a secret society, with bourbon. Go to the shops at Mandalay Bay to check it out. This one's ultra exclusive. So exclusive, most guests at Bellagio don't even know it exists, in spite of it being right there, near Mayfair Supper Club. Hidden behind a discreet door with a brass emblem, the Vault is a members-only lounge for high rollers, celebrities, and people who definitely don't ask for a menu. The vibe? Midnight money? Think. Baccarat tables, vintage cognac, and the occasional private performance by a jazz quartet. Inside Resorts World, hidden in famous food street eats, you'll spot a tiny bodega. Harmless, right? But step past the cashier and into a dimly lit, neon-drenched bar that channels pure Blade Runner energy. Here, Kitty Kitty is moody, sleek, and serves up Asian-inspired cocktails with names like Tiger's Claw and Midnight Nico. It's where late-night foodies and in-the-know insiders go to disappear into the night. In Vegas, the real party often happens where no one's looking. Hidden bars aren't just places to drink, they're places to discover. And if you ever walk past a door that looks like it doesn't belong, try it. You never know what kind of secret world is waiting behind it.